Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Mike, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change your Windows Logon background within Windows 7. Now, there's plenty of applications out there that can do this, and I've done reviews before. I'm not sure if I posted it on my website or not, or just word of mouth telling people, but I've definitely got that word out that there are different applications to do this. Now, this one right here is a free program, and it allows you to change, your Windows 7 logon background. Now, a lot of people are tired of that blue background that they see every time they log in, and wish they can personalize their computer. This is not Windows 7 starter, so I should be able to customize as much as I like, right? I pay for this program, I want to customize it. Well, that's my thinking. Alright, so first off, I just want to say, just check out my website at cyarts.com if you decide that you really like this cool background. This is the wallpaper of the month, and it'll be up for a week, and every month or every week I will change the wallpaper so that you guys can choose a cool wallpaper every week. So that's just a quick shout out over there to my website. Alright, so heading over to my website at cyarts.com, just check out the blog underneath the home tab, and you would see, or just look up Windows 7 Logon Changer. Now, like I said, this is a free program, and I wrote in a little review of a little statement of why I love this program so much, because I've used many other programs that I had to kind of, I guess you could say, crack or get it for free even though it was paid. I really dislike doing that because I just feel like the developer of that application should get paid for the time and hassle that they took to actually create that program. So anyway, so this is the free program, and you could just click on that download button. It's going to bring you over to the developer's website, and this is what it looks like. And developer actually says, and I mentioned it in my podcast, is that when you are changing within different backgrounds and stuff, you want to make sure that you let it load, you let it change your background, and do not close it out before it finishes changing, because if it does, it could mess up your computer. Reason why I say that is because it's using your registry to go ahead and change different or modify the information there to change your logon background. So if you decide, it's just like transferring files and deciding to pull out the USB before it finishes transferring, you could corrupt something. So you want to make sure, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but you want to make sure that it completely finishes its modifying the data, so that way it can successfully change your background. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that application for you guys and show you what it looks like. So I got a whole bunch of applications over here, and I should have opened it up beforehand, but I'm just going to do it for you guys right here. Let me see. Windows background changer. I think it's an exe file because it's not even listed here. Alrighty, so alright, yes it is. Here it is. Windows 7 Logon background changer. Alrighty. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and has this cool animating background inside of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and maximize the effect so you can kind of see what's going on here. So this is the current Logon background I have, and it shows my little icon and my name right there. So this is what it's going to look like. Now, I had already specified a folder with a bunch of my backgrounds that I chose. So let's say if I did something like this. This is from Bleach. And every time you switch, you get this cool sound effect. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but every time you change, it shows what the background will look like. So I'm just going through different things, and you use your directional keys on your keyboard to go ahead and change. You don't really do it with the mouse or anything like that. So this is just certain examples of what I have, different wallpapers that I have. So I really like this one. So suppose I decided to apply this one. You just simply click apply. But suppose it didn't have all your cool backgrounds that you have on your desktop. You just simply choose a folder and navigate to wherever your folder is. And this is where I would say you should do this beforehand. You want to make sure you have all your wallpapers in one folder, so that way when you navigate to that folder, you don't have to bring up all the files and documents in that folder just to look up a couple wallpapers. That wouldn't make any sense, and it's a little stress on the application itself. So to make things easy, just simply point the program to a folder with only wallpapers in it, so that way it just bring up those wallpapers with ease, and all you have to do is just select the wallpaper. So I'm just going to cancel out of that, and I want to apply this. So I'm just going to simply hit apply, and it's going to say please wait. Notice the orange bar at the bottom. You want to make sure, like I said, that completely goes across, and the please wait and everything is gone. Once it's gone, then you can go ahead and close the application. Okay, now it is completely done, and I'm just gonna, I can close it right now, but I'm just gonna minimize it, and hopefully the screencast won't cut off. But I'm gonna go ahead and lock. I'm not gonna log off anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and lock the screen, so that way you can see the background. Okay, so hopefully you guys are still there with me. Now this is a very cool, very cool effect that you can do in customizing your Windows 7 computer. Now I used to have Vista, but I'm not sure if this will work. I can go ahead and double check on the developer's website. But you guys can go ahead and do that before I do it, and just go on their website and check it out. But this is the effect you get. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video tutorial, and more video tutorials to come. This is me, Mike, and this is a review on the Windows 7 Logon background changer.